Welcome to 2006 Winbury Crescent. This is not a cookie cutter home. This home is one of a kind. The sunny west-facing yard backs onto a walking path and it has some amazing landscaping with a custom pergola feature and a stamped concrete pad. This like-new home is simply awesome, especially this kitchen. The amount of upgrades that were put into this home with the builder, the list is just way too long for me to even begin listing them. Come check out a sneak peek with me.